Good morning, students. So, children, how are you all? Are you all good? I think you all must be fine. So, children, today in EVS, we will going to study lesson number 7. And lesson 7 is my health. Okay. So, before explaining, I will do the reading till the place we have to do today. Okay, children. So, with me, all of you take out page number 35. Have you all taken it out? Should I start? Yes. So, all of you keep finger the place I am reading. Okay. Okay. Health is wealth. Health is the most important thing for us. A healthy person is the happiest person in the world. Keeping cleanliness is the key to good health. We can keep good health by following these steps. Number 1, brush your teeth regularly and twice a day, in the morning and at night. Number 2, you should take bath every day. Now 3, oil massage once in a week is good for our hair. Now 4, we should wash our hair with shampoo and comb them daily. Now 5, wipe yourself with a clean towel and clean your ears with the moist towel. Okay, now 6 point. You should wear well cleaned and ironed clothes. Number 7, you should trim your nails every week. Dirty nails not only look ugly, but they have germs under the skin that makes us ill. Now 8, you should always eat fresh and healthy food. So children, today we will going to do till here. Means page number 35, the whole page 35. Okay. Okay. Okay children, so are you all listening me? Yes? Okay, so now let's see what does this lesson my health says about health. Health is wealth. Okay, so it has been said that health is wealth. Means health is the most important thing. Health is very, very important for each one of us children. And a healthy person is the happiest person. A person who is healthy is always the happiest person in the world. Suppose if somebody is sick, okay, so that person is not happy, is always sad, and but the one who is healthy is the happiest. Okay, so health is well, and health it is very, very important for each one of us. So for that, what we all have to do, we have to keep our self clean. Cleanliness it is the key to good health. Okay, now we can keep good health. How? Now there are some steps, there are some points to remember, and if we follow those steps, what will happen children? We can keep ourselves healthy, we can keep ourselves healthy. Now let's see the first point. Brush your teeth regularly and twice a day. How many times you have to brush your teeth? Tell me, children, how many times you brush your teeth? Once in a day? One time or two times? If one time, start brushing at least two times. Okay? Because in the morning and at night, brushing twice your teeth is what? Is very important and it is good for your health. Then you should take bath every day. Okay, so again it is very important for all of us to take bath every day. Okay, again I will ask, how many times you take bath in a week? Huh? Yes, it should be every day. If we want to keep ourselves healthy, we should take bath every day. And cleanliness is the key to good health, because cleanliness is the key to good health. Okay, now come to point number 3. Oil massage once in a week is good for our hair. Now, in hair, what do we have to apply? Oil, because oil is very good. Oil massage at least once in a week. It is very good for our hair. Your hair will be healthy if you put oil in your hair. Understand, children? Okay, so till now we have seen how many points? We have seen 3 points. How many points, children? 3 points. First is brush your teeth regularly and twice a day. How many times in a day you have to brush your teeth? 2 times. That is in the morning and at night. Then second point is you should take bath how many times? Every day. Every day. Then for hair, how can you keep your hair healthy? For that you have to massage oil to keep your hair healthy. Okay, now come to point 4. Point 4, it says we should wash our hair with shampoo and comb them daily. So again, whenever we wash our hair, what should we apply in our hair? Shampoo. We should apply in our hair shampoo so that all the dirt in our hair may go away. And then you have to comb your hair daily. Every day you have to comb your hair. This is how you can keep your hair healthy. First, massage oil. Okay, oil massage is very important. Then we should wash our hair with shampoo and we have to comb them daily. This is how we can keep our hair healthy. Okay, children. Now come to 5th point. Wipe yourself with a clean towel. What you have to do? Wipe yourself with a clean towel and clean your ears with the moist towel. Okay. With the moist towel. Okay. You have to clean your ears also. You have to clean your ears. So how can you keep your ears clean? You have to clean it with the moist towel. Then you should wear well clean and iron clothes. Okay, so clothes, which type of cloth one should wear? Yes, it should be clean. The most important thing, your clothes should be clean. And the next thing, it should be iron. It should be iron, because if you will wear that type of clothes, you will look, how will you look? You look smart, huh? and everybody wants to look smart, so your clothes should be clean, iron. Okay, now come to 7, point number 7. It says you should trim your nails every week. Trim your nails every week. Then dirty nails not only look ugly, but they have germs. And so, children, why do we have to trim our nails every week? Because the dirty nails, they not look only ugly, but they have germs under the skin, and that make us ill. That make us ill, sick. That make us unhealthy. Okay. Now come to point 8. You should always eat fresh and healthy food. Very, very important. Okay. We should always eat fresh and healthy food. Fresh, and our food should be fresh. Fresh cooked food. Okay. Now sometimes what happens, children, in a refrigerator, for example, you are having what, chow mein, your favorite, and it is there in the refrigerator from last 2 days. Okay, and then when you see, oh mama, I want chow mein. Okay, and these chow mein, they are in the fridge from last 2 days, so it is not healthy. You will get sick, isn't it? So you should always eat fresh and healthy food, because stale food will make you sick. It will make you sick. So always eat fresh food in order to be healthy. If you want good health, if you want to become healthy, you have to, what you have to do, you have to follow these points. How many points are there, children? There are 8 points. There are 8 points, and you have to follow these 8 points. Okay, children, so let's revise once again these 8 points. Okay, so now the children, the first point is brush your teeth regularly and twice a day, once in the morning and once at night. So 2 times, children. Okay, brush your teeth at least 2 times in a day. Once in the morning when you get up, and once at night when you go to sleep. Okay. Then you should take bath every day. Okay, every day you should take bath. Then number 3 is oil massage once in a week. Okay, what you have to do, you can ask your mom, mama, please massage my head, my hair with oil. With oil. Then only you will have good hair. Okay, so oil massage is very important again for good health. Then we should wash our hair with shampoo, comb them daily. Every day we have to comb our hair, and when we wash our hair, we must use shampoo. We must use, children, you can see the picture also now. And can you see? Okay, all the pictures, like every day one should take bath, then brushing teeth, then oil massage, combing hair, then taking bath daily. Wipe yourself. We have, okay, wipe yourself with which towel you should use after taking bath. You should wipe your body with clean towel. Clean towel. And then ears with the moist towel. Clean your ears with the moist towel. Okay. Then you should wear clean and iron clothes. Now, what kind of clothes one should wear? You have taken bath, you have wiped yourself with clean towel. Now you are wearing clothes, dirty clothes. So, is that good? No, na? So, you should always wear clean clothes. Then, you should trim your nails every week. Every week, children. You ask your mom, please cut my nails. Because dirty nails not only look ugly, but they have germs inside. Where? Under the skin, and that makes us ill. That makes us sick. Now, you should always eat fresh food. Okay, children, tell me one thing. What is the opposite of fresh? It is stale. It is stale. One is fresh food, the other one is the food that you are eating after it is kept in the fridge and you are eating after 2 days or 1 day. Okay, so that is called stale food. So stale food is good for your health or no? Not at all. Fresh food is good. Fresh food will make you healthy. Fresh food will make you healthy, but still stale food will make you sick. So these were the 8 points that we have seen today about good health. About good health. And if we will be having healthy body, then what will happen, children? We are the happiest person in the world. I'm the happiest person. See, if I'm having lots of money, I'm a rich man, I'm a wealthy man, okay, everything, but I don't have good health. What is the use of money, children? If I'm sick, I'm in the bed, I'm sad, I'm not happy. Huh? So, health is very, very important. Okay, health is very, very important for each one of us, and healthy person is the happiest person in the world. That is why it has been said that health is wealth. Health is wealth. So now, children, all of you, you will promise me you will keep yourself clean, because cleanliness, it is the key to good health. And we have seen 8 points that how can we keep ourselves clean, isn't it? So you will promise me? Okay. So now, children, for today this much is enough, I think so. You have to remember this, go through this page. Okay, only one page today I taught, page 35, my health, and only one page you have to go. You just keep on reading, keep on learning these points. There are 8 points. Brushing your teeth regularly 2 times, taking bath every day, oil massage once in a week, then wash your hair, use shampoo to wash your hair, comb your hair daily, then wipe yourself with a clean towel after taking bath. You wipe yourself now, but with a clean towel, and then you can clean your ears also, but how? With moist towel. Then you should wear clean and iron clothes. Clean and iron clothes. Then you should trim your nails every week. Every week you have to trim your nails, because dirty nails not only look ugly, but they have germs under the skin that makes us ill. Then the last point, you should always eat fresh and healthy food. Whatever food you are eating, if you should eat fresh. Okay, I think you all have understood. Many times we have revised the same point. I've repeated many times now to make you understand, make you learn. Okay, children? Okay. So now, tomorrow again, we all will meet, and tomorrow we all will be continuing the same lesson, that is lesson number 7, my health. And tomorrow we will going to see some more things that we can do to keep ourselves healthy. Okay, so we'll meet tomorrow. Till then, be good and try to follow these steps in your life. Tomorrow again, we all will meet, and till then, children, take good care of yourself, your health. I want each one of you to be healthy. Okay, children, take care of yourself and be good, be obedient. Okay, goodbye. Take care.